Hurricane Irma ripped into the Caribbean island of Barbuda on Wednesday, levelling almost every structure. The Prime Minister has described the scenes here as heart-wrenching, saying the island is barely habitable. Even as Barbuda faces a large clean-up, officials are concerned that yet another storm may again threaten the Caribbean in the days to come.
You know that we are threatened now potentially by yet another storm, Hurricane Jose. And if that is the case and it's coming our way, then clearly we will have to evacuate the residents of Barbuda.
St. Martin too suffered major damage, and as Irma continues to track west, Turks and Caicos and the Bahamas are now in danger. In Florida, evacuations are underway, as forecasters predict Irma has the potential to slam into the state with high winds and huge tidal surges. The warning from officials is stark.
Every Floridian, every family should take this seriously and be aggressive. You've got to protect your family. Possessions can be replaced, your family cannot. This is serious and we cannot take chances. It is life-threatening. This is not a storm you can sit and wait through.
Pictures from the International Space Station make clear the sheer scale of Irma. It shows no signs of weakening and is more than 600 kilometers across. As things stand, there are 3 hurricanes in the Atlantic, Irma, Jose and Katia, and that hasn't happened since 2010. But it's Irma that poses the greatest threat, with the United Nations saying 37 million people could be affected. In the coming hours and days, Irma's course will be closely monitored, but its track seems set and the impact could be catastrophic. Andy Gallagher, Al Jazeera, San Juan, Puerto Rico.
عاش ابو فادي